Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a sequence in Apollo.io. Let's get started. First go to Apollo.io, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your Apollo dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Sequence. Then in the next page, click on Create Sequence on the top right corner. This pop-up will appear asking how you want to start making your sequence. For example, we are going to choose the From Scratch option. In this next pop-up, customize your sequence's name, permission settings, sending schedules, and more. Then click Create right here once you're done. After that, in this new page, click on Add a Step down here. Next, pick a step that the sequence will follow and automate for you. For our example, we are going to choose the automatic email option. For the next pop-up, customize when you want to start your automatic email. Then click on Continue right here. After that, in this new page, edit your email template. Then click on Save here at the top right corner after customizing. Next, you will be led back to your dashboard where you will click on this toggle to activate this new sequence you've made. Lastly, confirm your action by clicking on OK in this pop-up. And that is how you can create a sequence in Apollo.io. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.